We are pleased to show you the 2009 Sebring. The Sebring's sleek exterior design captures the essence of movement, while the interior craftsmanship offers a cabin with an abundance of style and comfort, including seating for 5. The Sebring is available in 3 different styles, including sedan, soft-top convertible, and hardtop convertible. Sebring makes driving fun again. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable headrests, power steering, auto express down window, AM/FM stereo with CD player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.